Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to demonstrate on how you can quickly face swap using the Gemini Nano Banana Pro with a simple prompt. So first, you need to go ahead and go to gemini.google.com, log into your specific account. After that, you need to go ahead and choose the images with clear front-facing faces and smaller lightning. Click on the plus icon over here and select Upload Files. Upload both of your chosen images in JPG or PNG formats. Then enter the prompt. Provide a clear and structured prompt instructing the AI to swap the face from the first image onto the second image. Hit enter on your keyboard to submit it and review the generated image and refine your prompt if necessary to improve the alignment and realism. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.